Assalamu alaikum, I'm Dr. Ayusha Khan with another YouTube video on aesthetic procedures. Today we will talk about an injectable cosmetic treatment that is PDRN. What is PDRN? PDRN is polydeoxyribonucleotide. It is derived from salmon DNA. How PDRN works? It works by increasing the production of collagen and elastin, and there is an element of cellular repair also here. We are aiming here that overall appearance of your skin improves and skin health improves. When we are talking about improvement of overall appearance of your skin and skin health, almost everything comes under it. Like there is improvement of fine lines and wrinkles, there is improvement of pigmentation and brown spots, scars are improved, acne scars are improved, open pores they get diminished, there is improvement of hydration and elasticity of your skin, so there is an overall glow to your skin. Now I will take you through the actual procedure that I do here. After consultation and consent, I will apply the numbing cream so that you are comfortable during the procedure. After cleaning and preparing the skin, this injection, the PDRN, is injected through a very fine needle in the superficial dermis so that you get the maximum benefits. We create some blebs. Everything will disappear and your skin will become normal within the next 24 to 48 hours. So there is no downtime here. I recommend all my patients to get 2 to 3 treatments 2 to 3 weeks apart. And then the maintenance dose of this injectable we decide after we see the results. Thank you.